Hello students, this is Kathleen Reynolds, one of the co-chairs of the ESL department. I'm here to talk to you about spring registration. Spring semester begins in January. Some classes begin in February. Registration for most students starts November 12. You can see the schedule on your MyHarper student portal now, but you cannot register until November 12. I'm going to show you how to see the schedule on your MyHarper student portal. Maybe your portal looks a little bit different than mine, but you also have registration and records actions, and you can choose class search, and then you can choose spring 2026 credit courses. Right now it says view only. That means we cannot register, we can only look. For subject, I'm going to enter ESL. If I know the course number, I can also enter it here, or I can see all the ESL courses by clicking here. So, for example, if I am in Reading 2 and Writing 2 now, I need to take next semester Reading 3 and Writing 3. So let's look at Reading 3 as an example. I can see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4 choices for Reading 3. Here I can see the different information about the courses. This one is Monday and Wednesday, 9 to 10:40. This one is Tuesday and Thursday, 11 to 12:40. This one is Monday and Wednesday, 5:45 to 8:15. If I move this slider, I can also see the dates. So I can see that these two classes start the week of January 12, and the evening class starts the week of February 9. I can also see that there is a choice of an online anytime class that starts February 9. So this is how you can choose your classes and make your schedule. I could repeat the same if I wanted to also take Writing 3, and I could see 4 different days and times that I could choose. So right now, you cannot register, you can just look at the schedule. So registration opens November 12th. There are many benefits to registering early. You can choose the days, times, teachers, and modality that you prefer. The schedule I just showed you does not have the teachers' names yet, but very soon the teachers' names will be there. So if you register early, like in November, you will be able to choose the schedule exactly as you want it. Your class will not be full. Okay, another benefit of registering early is if you use a payment plan, you can choose more smaller payments. So for example, you could pay in December, January, February, March, and April instead of only for 3 months, for example. Remember that you must pay or make a payment plan within 1 week after registering. So you need to balance the benefits of registering early with your financial situation. If you have financial aid, perhaps you can register early. If you are waiting to have enough money to register, just remember you will have to make at least the first payment within 1 week. If you are registering for ESL classes, you can register for the next level of reading, writing, or other courses like grammar, conversation, or communication skills on or after November 12th. Your fall class will still be continuing, so you register for the next level. It's okay to register for the next level if you don't know your grade in this class. It's okay. If there's a problem, you can always change your schedule. You do not need permission to register for ESL classes. That means you do not need to go to the advisor. You can register online on your portal after November 12th, just like I showed you. If you need help with ESL registration at any time, you can go to D138, the ESL office, or D144, the Language Lab. Someone will help you register, and they can answer your questions about the days, times, or other schedule information. You do not need to meet with your advisor if you are only taking ESL classes. Some students can take other credit classes that are not ESL. For example, some students could take math, psychology, or speech, or other classes. This has some special information, so please pay attention. Students who will be in level 4 or level 5 for both reading and writing can take credit classes in other departments. So that means in January, if your level for writing is 3 and reading is 4, you cannot take credit classes. You must have level 4 in both reading and writing, level 4 or 5. You need permission from your advisor to take credit classes. You cannot register without permission. You will enter the student portal, but it will not allow you to register. If you need to speak with your advisor to get advice and permission about registering for other credit classes, please make your advising appointment early because the advisor will be very busy. The advisor will be very busy as soon as registration opens, and she will be very busy in December and January, right before the classes start. So please make your advising appointment early. You can make an advising appointment on your portal. You can go to D138 to make an appointment. And if you email your advisor, which you can see on your portal, if you email your advisor, be sure to use your Harper email address so your message does not go to spam. There are also special situations for people who are finishing Level 5 Reading and Writing or ESP 095. Those students are leaving ESL. They will be done with their ESL program. Level 5 students cannot register for English 101 until their final grades post on the portal or on their official transcript, not on Blackboard for Level 5. This will be in the middle of December after final exam week. So Level 5 students who are finishing ESL cannot register for English 101. Okay? If Level 5 people who are leaving ESL, if you want to register for other credit classes, not English 101, but other classes, you need permission from your advisor. And then after the middle of December, we will send you, if you're in level 5, you will receive an email with a specific date. But after the middle of December, you will be able to register for English 101, and you will not need permission from the advisor to register for other credit classes. So the key information to remember is register for ESL classes on or after November 12th. Number 2, get help for ESL classes in D138 or D144. There is no advisor appointment needed. Number 3, make an appointment early if you need help from your advisor with credit classes. We are always here to help. Oh, some people also will ask me, what is the last day to register for classes? We do not have a final day to register for classes, but sometimes the class becomes full and cannot accept any more students. So it's very important to register as soon as you can so that you can have the schedule that you want. Remember, we are here for you. If you have questions about registration, you can ask your teacher or go to D138, the office, or D144, the language lab, for help and answers to your questions. Thank you.